Together last. We gotta get fresh.
Just on the surface right now.
Okay, we just gotta be clear. So I want you to be thinking right. Is that the video camera?
Yeah.
Look at me. Delete that. No, I'm kidding. $199 investment in a flip video camera will change your business forever. Okay, $199 investment in a flip video camera will change your business forever. Yes.
Get your website on the first page. Did you get it through optimization or did you do sponsored links?
I did no sponsored links, no pay-per-click, and here's the best part now. I know how to write in the keyword search and use the names of my competitors. So when people search them, I have so much SEO going because of the videos, I show up on theirs. Now, can I give you a little cool insight from Google? They announced 2 months ago, when you do video, Google's now reading your words. So every word I'm saying, Google is hearing and using those words in their natural search engine. But it gets better. Write this down. I don't know if Amazon.ca does this, but Amazon.com just did this, and we started doing it last week, and it's unbelievable. Ready? For $20, Amazon will take this video. You send the link to the video. They will transcribe it for you and send it back to you. Ready? $20 got me 12 videos. I send them 12 videos, the 12 most watched videos of my blogs. They send it back to me, video and everything written out perfectly. And then guess what I do? I take the same blog and I repost it again. Now with the video and the words together, and I double the search engine power. For $20 on Amazon, I've done, I don't know, something like 500 videos. All I'm doing is the best ones, the ones that get thousands and thousands of views. Those are the ones I'll do it with. So, you with me on this? Check if Amazon.ca has it. All right, very quickly, your website. Is it all about you? Okay, ready? Is there a big fancy photo of you on it?
Yes.
Because if there is, what the consumers are telling you is, we don't really care what you look like. I'll give you the example. I think I may have said this in January. A client of mine in Laguna Beach, she, on her website, she said, critique my site. So here's this like stunning blonde. And I mean like Laguna Beach, like blonde hair and you know what I mean? Like the whole, you know what I mean? I'm like, I bet your website gets a lot of hits. You know what I mean? Like, wow. Because she's wearing like a shirt. It's not a dress, it's a shirt. Do you know what I mean? And there's a belt that makes it look like a dress, but it's like a shirt like this. And she's sitting like this, like, press hard, here's the contract, sign right here, go ahead. Like, it's a bit much. Do you follow me the photo? I was like, damn, like, whoa. And on the site, she has at the bottom, every transaction ends with a happy ending. She says to me, I get a ton of people that register. And I said, mostly male, probably under 20. So the point is, if someone said to you, oh, what do you like to do? Like, I play tennis. Oh, but let's have a photo of you with a tennis. Or I've got a puppy, here's you and your puppy. Or I'm on the phone all the time. Do you guys know that photo? A red jacket, the partner. So stupid. No, really, I mean, do you guys get, like, the fact that your favorite color is purple means nothing to a consumer online? Matter of fact, they don't even, look at Google. How much colors on Google? White? Little changes in the colors of the name sometimes a photo, most of the time not. And it's the most searched site on the planet. Okay? So it can't be about you. Please write down very quickly. It has to answer those 4 questions. I'm not in the website changing business. I just want you to go back to your web developer and say, I want to have as many of these 4 conversion buttons as possible. As many of these conversion buttons as possible. And I'll show you some websites. There's many different places that you can have them. But understand this, guys. We've got a strategy and a niche now that we're beginning. If your website sucks, it doesn't convert, we drive all this traffic to it and you don't get leads, you think I suck. And the reality is, if your website doesn't have some contact conversion, some way to capture email, phone number, get more information, put me on a list, sign me up for, then we're done before we start. What do the customers want the most? Here's what they want. They want to know what's for sale. Right or wrong, guys? So do they want your featured listing? Okay? The answer is no, they don't. Unless, look up here, unless you are a mega brand inside RE/MAX. My client Maxine Gellens, she works in La Jolla, California, the second most expensive place on the planet to live. And you know what? She sells all the big oceanfront estates. She does 17 to 18% of every transaction in her marketplace. She is that dominant. She's an office in and of herself. People go to her site because they want to see her listings because she has all the big, great listings. Does that make sense? But the everyday consumer, they're going to find out what's for sale. The specific language is find a home. Find a home. What's for sale or find a home. The second thing they're looking at is how much is my home worth? How much is my home worth? Do you guys not get that question all the time? How much is my home worth? How much is my home worth? Right? How much is the worth? What's going on in the market? Okay. The third one is how's the market? Do you have an obvious button on your website that says how's the market? Do you guys get that question ever? How about like 40 times a month? Okay, from January, who remembers? How's the market?
It depends.
Are you buying or selling?
Okay, you remember a little
What
bit.
market are you in?
Okay, so look up here, guys. We're going to teach you this tomorrow, but the script is very simple. You get 40 times a month, we're going to say to you, this is what they say. I'd like to schedule an appointment. That's what they're actually saying to you. How it comes out is, how's the market? And if you go like this, oh, the market's great, you miss an opportunity. If you say, that depends. Are you looking to buy, sell, invest, or rent? Or maybe you can talk about your niche in the middle of that. You can buy, sell, invest, or rent, or maybe do something with Victorian homes. Which are you most interested in? Oh, well, we're really interested in buying. Now I know I have a potential buyer, and I go down that path. Does that make sense? The number one question, there's a company called Zillow. You guys heard of them? Mm-hmm. Okay. I saw that in 2007 they wanted to come to Canada, and I don't think they did. I think they failed on that mission. Zillow in the U.S. has done 75 million, what they call Zestimates, on the 90 million homes. So they've done 75 of the 90 already. That's market share, right or wrong, guys? And all they're doing in its estimate is giving you an approximate valuation of their home. Because they understood what every customer wants to know is, how much is my home worth? How's the market? Do you have those two? Do you have any of those top three buttons on your page? Tell anybody yes or no.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a really unenthusiastic non-response.
Yes.
Okay, how many of you need to add those buttons to your page? Okay, make a little side note. Put them on your Facebook fan page as well. Put them on your Facebook fan page as well. And we're going to get into, content specifically how, but just I want you to keep referencing that. Now, the last one is YU, which is basically your blog. Let me give you just want to give you three samples, right? This is Ian Watt's website. Okay, you should check this one out, ianwatt.ca. ianwatt.ca.
Yep.
Video, as you can see right there, that's a video of Ian. Now, here's what you're going to find with Ian. He does 5 videos a week. On Sunday, he's in his car. I said, Ian, you're always in a black shirt. He said, it's very convenient. All I ever wear is black shirts. Like ever. That's all I have. So you don't know what day of the week it is because he's always in a black shirt. Always. He said, I'm sitting in my car. He takes his flip video camera. Now watch this, guys. He's in his car. Flip video camera like the one that I'm being recorded on now. And he, sticks it up here and goes, hey, it's Ian Watt, ianwatt.ca. Here's what's going on in the downtown core right now. The number of homes on the market, blah, 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 and he educates. And then on his website, that's what people see. Does that make sense? Now, he's got conversion tools all over this. I just want to show you the video side. Here's another one.
This guy does it.